there. Thanks for coming to my video here. Just a quick video. Basically, this is something I'm kind of shy about. I don't have the best looking teeth, and if you want to just show your teeth and smile on YouTube, why not just indulge yourself in a quick pair of veneers? I just bought these veneers, and I have to say, not bad. I give it like 3.5 stars. Uh, they do the trick. They make your teeth look whiter, make sure you have a better smiles that stick out, make you look like you're in Hollywood. So give it a go. Click on the link below.